Hi students, welcome to the session. I hope so. Everybody enjoying your assignment keys. Let us see the one more assignment key with the help of some awesome examples. First question students, what are minerals? How can you define minerals? The minerals are microscopic solid substances. They are microscopic at the same time, and uh, this minerals, solid substances at the same time microscopic in nature, they are made up of they are made up of they are made up of one or many one or many elements. You know that microscopic elements like iron, calcium, magnesium, strontium, zinc, cobalt, all these are considered as elements. So, simple definition, simple meaning of an element is, or simple definition for minerals is, they are solid substances made up of one or more elements. Clear students? Moving to next question. What are the functions of minerals? How can you define the minerals? And we know very well. What are the major functions of minerals? You know that our body electrolyte balance, you know that blood contains some electrolytes. So, electrolyte balance of the blood generally maintained by minerals. That is the first function of the minerals. And one more important character is, here minerals plays an important role in the formation of new cells. That is one more important character of an element. And one more thing, here the fluid electrolyte balance, suppose already said to you, blood, it is a fluid connected tissue, its electrolyte balance regulated by the minerals which are present in it. And one more thing, the blood pressure is under the control, or the blood pressure is generally depends upon the electrolytes that are continuously moving from one place to another place in the blood or in the fluids of our body. So, moving to next question, third question. Minerals are classified into dash types. Can you guess? The minerals are classified into how many types? Suppose see, minerals are classified into two types, isn't it? Based upon the requirement, minerals are classified into two types. Clear students? Moving to next question. Identify the minerals present in this food. Can you guess the minerals which are present in these food items? It's definitely the type of mineral which is seen in this food item is calcium. Why? Because I started with the curd. Curd richly contains calcium. Even there is a dosa or omelette and horse gram curry, and there is a milk and a dry bone masala, or one more thing, drumstick leaves, and also crab curry, Razugari parota, and also like this different types of food items are given. Even that the curd, milk richly contains calcium. So, hence in the given food items, calcium is richly seen. Clear students? Moving to next question. Name the mineral that keeps bones and teeth in good health. Bones are richly made up of calcium. You know that calcium is a substance that is seen in the bones. Bones are made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonates. Even teeth are made up of calcium carbonates and calcium phosphate. Clear students? Moving to next question. Let us see the next question. Iodine deficiency causes a disease called goiter. What do you mean by goiter? Enlargement of neck is called as a goiter. Enlargement of thyroid gland. You know that the growth of thyroid gland, suppose take our thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is located at the neck region. This is called as a neck region. In a region called pharynx, exactly this thyroid gland is located. If thyroid gland is not receiving sufficient amount of iodine, what will happen? Its growth will be reduced, or its growth may be not under the control of brain or other etc. So hence, due to lack of iodine, what will happen, you know, the thyroid gland located in the neck region or pharynx simply swells and causes a disease called as goiter. What it is called? Goiter. So for proper development and proper functioning of thyroid gland, iodine an element which plays an important role. Iodine is richly seen in iodine, iodine is richly seen in some of the food items. Can you guess the food items which are having amount of iodine? So let us try to think. Moving to next question, students. Last question. Last question. Anemia is caused to deficiency of mineral called. It's definitely iron. You know that. Suppose take a hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present in the blood. Hemoglobin is present in the blood. Blood contains hemoglobin, isn't it? So the hemoglobin scientifically or chemically termed as Hb. The hemoglobin is made up of an iron molecule. Hemoglobin is made up of an iron molecule. So for proper growth and development of hemoglobin, iron plays an important role. Lack of iron molecule definitely it causes an abnormal growth of hemoglobin, which is scientifically termed as anemia. What it is called? Anemia. So anyway, lack of iron causes abnormal growth or less growth and development of hemoglobin, which is termed as anemia. So students, this is an assignment key. Remaining we will discuss later. Until be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.